Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up or create a free small PDF account. And if you've never heard about Smallpdf, you just want to head over to smallpdf.com and you can see that they offer a ton of different tools that you can utilize to manage PDF documents. So if you hover over the tools section, you will see that once you click on it, you have tools to compress, to convert. You have AI tools there that allows you to chat with PDF, to translate PDF and summarize PDF, so much more. You can organize your PDF document, view and edit them. You can convert from PDF, convert to PDF, sign, and so much more. You even have the option to scan PDF. How amazing is that, guys? Now, you might be wondering, if you look towards the upper top, you see start a free trial. But if you click on the pricing page, you see that you have a free option. So you can use this for free. Of course, it is a limited, just like any other tools out there that offers various tiers, including free option. It's always going to be limited. But as you can see, the pricing is not something that is gonna break your pocket, right? So they offer a personal team and even a business plan. Those are the ones that you paid for, but the free plan is just as amazing, right? So I'm gonna show you how you can easily sign up, and it's pretty straightforward. So let me go back to the home page here and show you a bit what's on the page. So if you scroll on, you have quite a few information about it. They show you some of the more popular tools and so forth. So you can go ahead and you can check out their website. One of the cool things is that they also have mobile app available on both Android and iOS devices. So that is something that's going to be absolutely useful for you guys, right? So let's jump into it, guys. Let me show you how to sign up. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click the free trial button on the upper right, and you see that you have the option to sign up with your Google account. So if you have a Gmail account, you can easily sign in to create an account there. How easy is that? And you can see on the right hand side as well, which they're telling you what consists of the pro version. But to go ahead and sign up, it's pretty straightforward. You can use your Gmail or you can use your company email address to sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and use a Gmail here. Continue with my Gmail account. Go ahead and continue there. And as you can see, it logs me straight in, right? It's telling me about the professional plan and so forth, but I can simply click the close on the upper right hand side and it takes me right into the tool. Really nice dashboard inside, right? So you can go ahead and you can utilize these things, these different tools, and you can go ahead and upload your documents and manipulate with it, right? Now on the left hand side, you have various options as well that you can use. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy to access your account details. Just simply click on your account on the lower left hand side, and this will take you to your account page where you can play around with changing password, view your profile, see the subscription, invoices, and so much more. You have settings as well where you can change the language, right? So very easy stuff. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.